Different sounds mean different things to different people. For instance, when a business owner or security guard hear the sound of a skateboard, it may mean that it's time for them to call the police or intervene in some way. But when skaters hear the sound of skateboarding, it means it's time to get your board and have some fun. Skateboarding is mostly a visual sport. A lot of the tricks sound the same, but hearing it is still a pretty big part of the experience. The sound of popping an ollie, or the sound of locking your trucks in on a rail on a grind, or the sound of falling hard on a bale. All these sounds have their own special spot in a skater's brain. To me, it's almost like the rhythm of the sport. A lot of skaters hear these sounds the way a basketball player hears the swoosh of the net, or a baseball player hears his bat connecting with the ball. They don't really think about it, but it's still crucial to the experience.